Hi everyone, it's Carrie from DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing my third Temu paper crafting haul. I have lately been working on some watercoloring and I came across this set of 72 colors. It comes with the 72 colors, water brushes, and a mixing palette. The thing that I like about this is it's really compact. The case is about just under 8 inches by about 3 1/4, and it's about 1.5 inches deep. I do travel, and this is a great size to put in my travel bag. Look at all these beautiful colors. There's some shimmer, there's some of the fluorescent colors, so very nice. We have a couple different kinds of brushes. Right now I would probably only use the skinniest brush because I'm not good enough to be using these big ones. I don't really have control over the brushes yet. And it also comes with this clear sleeve too. I'm thinking to keep the paint separated. This was $19.79. I did try and price it out, and there's so many different options. Assuming this is a good price on this, I picked up these puffy hearts. I think this was a bag of 100. They were 98 cents. Here is a close-up of what they look like. I like these because you can staple right in the middle of them, so you can staple them to your projects. So there's the size on it. So nice and small, super cute. They won't really add too much dimension to your projects. Happy with that purchase. I did pick up this 5-pack of double-sided tape. Looks like a good amount in there. This was $5.39. Normally, if I pick up one from like the dollar store, I still don't think you get as much as you get on here. So I'm excited to give this a try. The next thing that I picked out is this rose seal, and this was 89 cents, and it did come with the handle. I am really happy with how this came out. I did have a problem with my own waxing stick that I was using, but as you can see, it gave it a really good impression. It's really detailed. I love that. Last time I hauled this bee, here's how the bee came out. I did use this treasure gold, rose gold. I think it's a paint, but I used that with my finger to outline the bumblebee so you can see him better, and very happy with that as well. I did order a actual pot with a tea light that can go under it so I can melt my wax versus the stick that I have. And I will insert a video here of how I use my waxing sticks to make these. And I also picked up this paw, and it's one of the silicone mats. I did the wax seals on here, and then these just pop off. This paw was $1.34. When I did get it, it had these dirt marks on the paws that won't come off. It does stain from the wax melt. That is what it's for, but if that bothers you, you may want to keep that in mind. I ordered one of the pen blades, so it's a retractable. Looks like a pen. It has this really fine blade at the end. This was 89 cents, but they did send me two. I did get two for 89 cents. So let's get on to the stamps. I'm not going to be able to take the plastic off of there because then they'll all be apart. It's a set of sentiment stamps. It says, "Just for you, happy birthday, happy anniversary, best wishes, thank you so much, congratulations, feel better soon, and birthday wishes." And I love the script fonts on these and how nice and long they are. These are, let's see, about 3.5, 4. So these are great for the bottom of cards. It takes up a nice big space. These were $1.48, and I like that there's a variety of different sentiments on this one. I also picked up this stamp set. This was $1.34. What I like about this is you can stamp the word, and then you can stamp the outline of the word, so you can do different colors. And it has the believe, the jolly, and the jingle. And let me show you what I created using these. I stamped the words. This one I stamped in green, and then I went back and stamped it in black. Here's the jolly, and I used 2 different colored stamps to give it the ombre look. Another jolly, another jingle, the believe, and the believe. And what I did was I stamped them all out on one piece of white paper, and I fed it through my scan and cut and told it to cut it out using a border. And so then I was able to create these word sentiments that were all connected. I love how these turned out. I cannot wait to use these during Christmas. This is about just under 2 3/4, just about 2 3/4 on those. These are a really nice size. They're great for Christmas, and these are so nice to share in Happy Mail. On to the dies. I picked up this puppy heart one. This was 98 cents. It measures about 3 inches. This die is when you cut it out, the little paw toes are not connected to the die. When you are doing this, you have to cut it once and then use this to fill in the little toe pads there. This is the card that I created. I did paper piercing. I cut it in black first, and I cut it again in red and clipped out the heart, and then I cut it again in brown and used this outline to fit the little toe pads where they were and then glued them into place. So that is the only thing to keep in mind. These are not connected. It is super cute. I then picked up this set of banner stitched dies. These are super cute. The longest one is just over 3 3/4. The next one is right at 3. The next one's at 2.5, and this little one's at 1.5. They are a nice size. They cut really well. Let me show you how they cut out. You can see the stitching on there, the stitching on this one. So really nice there. And these banners were 99 cents. The last set of dies that I picked up are these tag dies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. The largest one is about 4.5. Then we have 3 3/4, 3, 2.5, and 1 3/4. Great variety of size there. I do like that these have a different detail than the normal dies. However, I will tell you, these are the flimsiest dies I've ever used. I thought they were going to break when I had to separate them. They're so thin. When you run it through your machine, you can see it actually left this indent from them because the sides, they just bend when you run it through the machine. That is something to keep in mind. Let's see, they were $1.49, and I know that is not supposed to be. Just wanted to bring that to your attention. That is my Temu haul number 3. Very happy with the products so far, and I will keep you posted when I actually use the watercoloring paints. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.